Today in our trailer, we're going to be installing the Dexter 12-inch electric trailer brake assembly for the left hand or driver's side, part number 23-180. The dimensions for our brake assembly are designed to fit a hub drum assembly 12 inches in diameter with 2 inches wide or thick. These are designed up to a 7,000 pound axle rating and have a 5-bolt mounting flange for the wheel. Now for this application, the reason we're replacing the backing plate, assembly, and brakes is because the hardware has come free from the brake shoe, allowing it to roll around inside, damaging the grease seal and contaminating the shoe linings. Now to remove the backing plate and brake assemblies, take the 5 hold down nuts off of the studs that go through the axle. Now we'll pull the backing plate off the studs. Note, before we can go too far, we'll need to disconnect the brake wiring. Now to do that, I'm just going to take a pair of side cutters and cut it right here. Now we'll go ahead and prepare our wiring for the new backing plate assembly. I'll go ahead and strip back the wires and add the butt connectors. Now to make this connection point, we're going to use the Deca heat shrink butt connector for 22 to 18 gauge wiring. Part number DW05743-5. We'll need to heat up the shrinkage portion of the butt connector. Using our heat gun, we'll go ahead and do that now. Note, if you don't have a heat gun, you could also use a lighter or a butane torch. Just keep in mind to keep your heat source moving so that you don't actually melt the wire. Now once we have the butt connector sealed up, we'll go ahead and put the wiring back inside the wire loom. And then I'm going to use some black electrical tape, tape up the end of the wire loom and any of the butt connector that's exposed. The remaining portion of our wiring can get secured here inside the built-in wire holder. Now we're ready to put our backing plate into position over the studs and then secure it with the nuts that we removed earlier. Now with everything reinstalled and tightened down, we can reinstall the hub drum assembly and we're ready to hit the road. And that'll complete our install of the Dexter left hand or driver's side backing plate brake shoe assembly, part number 23-180 for our trailer install.